blocked me in so many ways that the three things that I want to leave with you, just these three. I could do 10, I could do a whole life class, but just these three things will carry you if you let them. First and foremost, knowing who you are. Knowing who you are. Being able to answer this question, who am I? And what do I want? I am, as Pierre de Chardin said, a spiritual being having a human experience. I am connected to the source of all that is. All that is possible for me. That's who I am. And what do I want? I don't want to just be successful in the world. I don't want to just make a mark or have a legacy. The answer to that question for me is I want to fulfill the highest, truest expression of myself as a human being. You must have some kind of vision for your life. Even if you don't know the plan, you have to have a direction in which you choose to go. I never was the kind of woman who liked to get in a car and just go for a ride. I had a boyfriend who would say, let's just go for a ride. I want to know, where are we going? Do we have a destination? Is there a plan, or are we just riding? What I've learned is that's a great metaphor for life. You want to be in the driver's seat of your own life, because if you're not, life will drive you. Number two, you must find a way to serve. Martin Luther King said that not everybody can be famous, but everybody can be great, because greatness is determined by service. Now, we live in a world where everybody wants to be famous, and where we admire people for just being famous. We think being known brings us value. The truth is, all of that will fade in time. And if you look at all the most successful people in the world, whether they know it or not, they have that paradigm of service. Service through medicine, service through art. Using whatever it is you produce, your product, as a way of giving back to the world. When you shift the paradigm of whatever it is you choose to do to service, and you bring significance to that, success will, I promise you, follow you. Service and significance equals success. That's number two. Number three, it's so simple, but so hard to do. Always do the right thing. Always. Be excellent. People notice. Think of how you notice. You go to Taco Bell, somebody gives you an extra napkin and some sauce. You notice. You want to go back to that person, because even at Taco Bell, excellence shows itself. Be excellent. Let excellence be your brand. And what I know is that when you are excellent, you become unforgettable. People remember you. You stand out. And that is what we all want. We want to be unforgettable and not forgettable. So doing the right thing, even when nobody knows you're doing the right thing, will always bring the right thing to you. I promise you that. Why? Because the third law of motion is always at work. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. That is so true in all of our lives.
살면서 우리는 대단한 무언가가 되어야 한다고 생각하기 마련이죠. 하지만 먼저 나 자신에 대해서 돌아보는 시간이 필요합니다. 오프라 윈프리는 목적지 없이 운전하는 드라이브에 빗대어 인생 교훈을 이야기합니다. 인생이라는 자동차의 운전석에 앉아라. 그렇지 않으면 인생이 당신을 운전할 것이다. 목표를 정하지 않고 정처 없이 가다 보면 내가 하고 싶은 것이 아닌 사회가, 회사가, 주위 사람들이 바라는 대로 나를 맞추게 됩니다. 내 인생은 내가 운전하는 것이고 나를 알고 내가 가고자 하는 곳, 목표를 분명히 알아야 합니다. 또한 세상에 기여할 방법을 찾아야 한다고 하는데요. 자신에 대한 목표가 정해졌으면 그게 무엇이든 올바르게 행동하며 항상 봉사하는 마음을 가져야 한다고 합니다. 그렇게 올바르게 하다 보면 성공은 언제나 뒤따르며 나의 가치도 빛을 발하기 마련이기 때문입니다. 모두가 알아주는 삶을 위해 고군분투하기보다 나 자신을 알고 자신만의 탁월함으로 모두가 알아차릴 수밖에 없는 특별한 삶을 살아가길 바랍니다.